In this video, I'll show you how to create a logo in Canva. Start by opening Canva and searching for logo in the search bar. Choose the 500x500 option for a standard logo size and click on Customize this template. Edit the text and design as needed. To create your own logo, add text by clicking on Text and browsing through the available font combinations. Choose one, double-click, and type your desired text. Resize the text as needed. Next, add a background element by going to Elements. For example, you can add a circle, resize it, and change its color using the color picker in the top left corner. Right-click the circle, select Layer, and click Send Backward to position it behind the text. Make any final adjustments to the design until you're happy with your logo. Alternatively, you can try a single letter logo for a more minimalistic look. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.